Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm gonna produce you a new website and teach you how to create an account and use it. We have today HostGator. So first thing, let me give you a small idea about this website. The HostGator is a trusted web hosting provider with various plans and features, including unlimited bandwidth, 24 hours until 7 support, and an easy to use interface. Okay, so to get started with HostGator, simply head on over to HostGator.com or just HostGator, and then this is the results I got after my search. So we'll choose the second one because the first one is sponsored. So let's choose the website, the real website, HostGator.com. Click over here. So this website is produce a wide range of hosting options. The HostGator offers shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, and cloud hosting to suit different websites' need, and also the unlimited bandwidth and disk space. So this is the interface of the websites, like you see here. Go where the pros host with hosting that scales from easy to expert. A ton of websites hosting option 99 plus 9%, Optimate, guarantee, free SSL, certificated, easy WordPress installs, and a free domain for a year. So let's click got it, and let's see what this contains. So like you see here, the sign up for web hosting today is introductory offer 2 plus $75 per month. Okay, so let's see all the prices with all the services. Like you see here, shared hosting is with 2 plus $75 per month. We have WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. We are here different price to start at, and you can learn more in everyone you want. That's independent on you and what you want to do on this website. So now let's get started to see how to create account. It's for $2. So here they recommend Hatchling plan. This is the services, and with 65% off. The baby plan, it's with 73% off, and e-commerce plan, it's with 69% off. And this is the services that they present for us with that price. Like you see here, there is different prices. So let's see how it works. Let's try with this one. I will not create account, I will just show you how to, okay, because I don't use this website, so I cannot create account for nothing. Let's wait for a moment until it's upload. This website is also present for us a user-friendly control panel. It easily manages your hosting account and website setting through HostGator's intuitive control panel. And also the free website builder. It creates and customize your website with HostGator's free and easy to use website builder, and also the one-click installation. So now let's sign up from here and choose the portal or the website builder. Okay, let's choose this one. Here to the customer dashboard or go right into the builder. Okay, let's choose this one. So click over here. So we are new in HostGator, so we will sign up from here to create account. And this website is give you 45 days money back guarantee. That means if you're not satisfied, HostGator offers 45-day money back guarantee for hosting plans. This is awesome, and we cannot find this on all the websites. So we need to verify that we are human on CAPTCHA here. So why do you have to complete a CAPTCHA? Let's make sure that we are human. So after the checkout that I'm not a robot, this is the page I got here. But you see there is some information that we need to write and answer. So let's begin. I will not write them now because I will not create account because they need my PayPal cards, but I will show you what you need to do. Now let's bring your website to life. Start by registering your free domain name. We will choose domain here. Whereas design. So I get a domain, and this is right here. We choose one of these. I get chosen this one, and select a term for express site plan that you want. This one, $7.49 per month, $7.49 per month, or $6.99 per month. Okay, I will choose this one here. Now you need to get your email like this. You need to get valid email. And your password. You need to make an easy password to remember. And confirm that you are not a robot. And you have another choices to sign up with Google or with Facebook. If you will have already an account, you will log in right here. Then you will put your information, the card number, the security code, and here the date that your card will experiment, and the experiment year. Okay, here you will put your first name, your last name, your company, your address, your city, your zip code, the postal card code, the country, and the state. For example, you will do United States right here. There is a lot of country and the postal code and your phone number right here. And you will choose someone here. You will submit, and then you will confirm the purchase. So this is what you need to do to create accounts. I will not do that now because I won't use this website, so I cannot pay $7 for nothing. So I will come back to show you the page, what it contains. So after we get back to the page, let's see what it contains. Like you see here, all the information that you need to know about the website. There is here different prices with different services, like you see here. Every price with her own services. So that's how to create an account and how to use the website. Please, if you like the video, follow and subscribe for more. So bye bye to the next video and the next website.